Force. Force is a push or a pull. Force causes things to move, stop, or change their direction, size, or shape. Types of forces. In nature, there are different forms of forces. They are as follows. Gravity. The force by which the earth pulls objects towards itself is called gravity. It is acting all the time on all objects. Friction. The force which slows down or stops a moving body is called friction. We are able to walk on the road without slipping or falling because of friction. Muscular force. The force exerted by our muscles is known as muscular force. There are some more types of forces like magnetic force, mechanical force, etc. Work. Work is done when force applied on an object moves it. No work is said to be done if the object does not move from its original position after applying force on it. Machines. Machines are the tools used by us to do our work easily. Machines help us in the following ways. They make our work easier and faster. They change the direction of the applied force. They help us to do work by applying less force. We use a variety of machines. Some simple machines are lever, wheel and axle, inclined plane, pulley, wedge, and screw. Lever. A lever is a long rod which rests upon a support and is used to lift weights. It also helps us to open lids and cans and cut things. For example, seesaw, can opener, hammer, etc. are examples of lever. Wheel and axle. In the wheel and axle arrangement, there is a big wheel and a rod known as axle which passes through the center of the wheel. It helps us to move or lift objects. For example, a screwdriver, wheels in a vehicle, etc. Inclined plane. The sloping surface which connects a lower level to a higher level is called an inclined plane. For example, slide, slope, escalator, etc. Pulley. A pulley is used to hoist flags, draw curtains, move lifts, and draw water from a well. Pulley is a grooved wheel with a rope or cable around it. Wedge. A wedge is an object with at least one slanting side which ends in a sharp edge. It is used to cut or split things, for example, an axe and a knife. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole. It holds things together or lifts materials. Examples are jar lid, vise, and bolt. Energy. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. There are various forms of energy such as heat, light, sound, mechanical, electrical, chemical, and magnetic energy. Energy can change its form easily. Sources of energy. Sun. The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. Green plants trap the solar energy and make food. All animals, including human beings, eat this food and obtain energy to carry out various life processes. We also get heat and light energy from the sun. Water. Water falling from a height possesses huge amount of energy. This energy can be used to turn machines called turbines and generate electricity. Wind. The energy possessed by wind is used to turn windmills. These then move turbines and generate electricity. Atom. The smallest particles of which molecules are composed are called atoms. Enormous amount of energy is released upon joining or breaking of these atoms. This energy is called atomic energy. It can be used to generate electricity.